Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was literally stalking Cardi B on Instagram yesterday and I realized she unboxed her Boxycharm before I did because I am so behind. Luckily she didn't show you guys what's inside, so I haven't peeked yet, but let's go ahead and take a look at what is inside this month's Boxycharm. The first thing going into the box that I see is a pretty vulgar cosmetic Make Them Blush blush palette. Oh my god. This packaging is literally the cutest thing ever. I want all of my makeup to look like this. It's so cute. The color is not really for me, but it's a really cute pink color, so it's like an adorable collector's piece. Next, we have 3 eye gels from SelfMain. Thank God. So this has been like one of my skincare secrets lately, is like the Sephora like under eye patches. I wear them every morning that I wake up before 11 a.m. which is probably like 4 times a week, but I use them whenever I have to wake up early and it makes all of my eye bags go away, so I'm really excited to get more because I really need more eye patches. The next thing, oh thank God, I need mascara. This is a mascara full size from Butter London. Oh my gosh, and the applicator looks perfect. Okay, so I was already happy with my Boxycharm, but I literally got a full 3-piece eye brush set from Vintage Cosmetic Company. Oh my gosh, I have to see what these brushes look like. Okay, so here are the 3 brushes. They're super fluffy, super perfect. I would totally use this for nose contour, not really my eyes, but these 2 are like the perfect eye brushes, so I'm really excited to get these in my Boxycharm. And the best part about Boxycharm is that there is more. So the last thing in my Boxycharm is a Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I have to do a tutorial with this palette. The colors are so cute and fun and like perfect for spring. That was everything in my Boxycharm, and I do want to share like a recent favorite with you guys. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Omega Oil from Caviar Hair Care. I'm sure you've seen it at Sephora, and if you've noticed, my hair is like super shiny right now, and it's because I'm using this product. It's a super lightweight hair oil. You only need a little bit. It goes a long way, and I always use it in my hair after I straighten it because it just gets all the frizzies to just like calm down, and you can just tell like how shiny my hair looks. I am still suffering from damage from going blonde, but this is just like an amazing product that is just like kind of helping me like hide the fact that my hair is super damaged. So I'll go ahead and link this product down below, and if you want to learn more about Boxycharm, of course I'll link that down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment below and tell me what you guys got in your Boxycharm this month. I'll see you guys in my next video.